Hi there, potheads. Welcome to Stoners and Marijuana Consumers. Some people use the water pipe or bong. Here is some important information for bong users. Warning: smoking cannabis through a bong is one of the most harmful methods of using cannabis. Although water cools the smoke, the water in a bong absorbs a large amount of the psycho-stimulant THC and tar. Therefore, you need to inhale more smoke to get the desired amount of THC. But you also get more carcinogenic tar and other toxic substances. Bongs have many different types. Converted plastic bottles contain harmful carcinogenic toxins. Ceramic, brass or glass are safer and easier to clean. Clean shared mouthpieces. The virus Hepatitis A&B, and mennigoccal bacteria, and other diseases, can be spread from person to person in saliva and by unclean hands. Change water regularly. Dirty bong water can contain and harbor harmful bacteria and toxins. Mouthpieces. The mouthpiece needs to be 20 centimeters or more from water to decrease the amount of water vapor and water droplets entering the lungs. Cover mouthpiece. Use a rag or tissue to cover mouthpiece when sharing, especially if someone has a cold or flu. Inhale using small shallow breaths. Studies show that 95% of THC is absorbed in the first few seconds of inhaling. Holding smoke in longer and inhaling deeply allows more tar and other noxious chemicals to be absorbed by your lungs. Avoid mixing with tobacco. Mixing your cannabis with tobacco only makes it look like your stash lasts longer. Tobacco has more toxic compounds and is highly addictive. There are other ways to consume cannabis without using a bong. See you next time. Bye.